Yes, this answer is correct because 2 8 is 16. 50 divided by 10. 50 divided by 5 is 10. This answer is correct because 5 times 10 is 50. 1 4 4 2 8 4 3 12. This answer is correct because 4 3 is 12. Select all the number sentences that are true. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 1. No, this answer is false. What is better? 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 3 3 2 6 3 1 3 3 2 6. This answer is true. 51. And that answer is false. Select all the number sentences that are true. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 5 of 5 5 3 50 5 4 25 5 35 5 6 30 5 7 38 5 7 35 5 6 5 7 35 5 8 40 5 9 45. This answer is correct. 2 divided by 4 is 8. 4 4 4 3 4 4 4 2 is 14 12 4 4 6 4 5 20 4 6 24 4 7 28 4 8 This answer is false. Select all the number substances that are true. 55 divided by 3. 55 divided by 5 is 3. This one is close. This one is correct. This answer is true because 3 divided by 3 is 1. Because 3 times 1 is 3. Select all the number sentences that are true. Divided by 10 is 11. This answer is false. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That answer is correct because 4 times 4 is 16. 8 divided by 3 is 8. 10 divided by 10 is 3. This answer is correct because 3, 8 is 24. Select all the numbers that mean down to 6 divided by 2 is 3. This answer is false. 10 divided by 5 is 3. False.
Look at the first thing.
This answer is correct because 2, 3 is 6. 10 divided by 5 is 3. This answer is false because 5 times 3 is 15. Ten divided by 5 1. That will be false. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, false. This answer is correct because 2, 6 is false. Answering the time zone. Select all the number substances that are true. 10 divided by 5 is 4. 12. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 6, 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 14, 2, 6, 18. 2, 6, 18. Two, 1, 2, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 14, 2, 6, 2, 7, 14, 2, 8, 14, 2, 8, 16, 2, 9, 17, 18, 15. This is correct because 2, 9 is 18. Select all the number substances that are true. 16 divided by 4 is 2. This answer is very false. 35 divided by 5 is 7. That answer is true because 5, 7 is 35. 20 divided by 20 divided by 2 is 10. That is correct because 2 to 10 is 20. Select all the number sentences that are true. 90 divided by 10 is 9. Correct, because 9 10 is 9. 18 divided by 2 is 10. 18 divided by 2 is 10. False. Because 8 divided by 2 is not 10. 2 divided by 10 is 20. 27 divided by 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15, 3, 6, 18, 3, 7, 2. This answer is false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15, 3, 6, 18, 3, 7, 21. 28, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27. This answer right here is correct because 3 times 9 is 27. Correct?